Helicopters have been going for about 2 hours. I'm at my daughter's house, and she's by a mall. She's about a mile from a mall called South Park, and it's all the luxury stores. And they've had some issues over there at South Park this week. There goes helicopters. They did it all day yesterday, but today they've got more, she said. I understand that around the country they're breaking into people they consider wealthy. They're breaking into their houses even if they're home. I'm sorry, I don't understand why one horrible policeman and his 3 cohorts did a terrible thing, but why does that mean it's okay to be robbing and stealing and burning and emptying out department stores and grocery stores and burning them down? And 2 police horses in New York were murdered. Someone threw a Molotov cocktail in their trailer and they burned alive. What do horses have to do with a bad apple that killed George Floyd? Listen to this. It's picked up, which means there's activity. People tell where they're going to meet, and so they see that on social media and the police get ready. Listen to this. I feel like I'm at Fort Bragg or somewhere. Look how slow he's going. Look at that. He's got something. He's looking at something. He's almost at a standstill.